This is NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio Station WXJ46, Miamisburg, Ohio. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz and serving the Miami Valley of Ohio. Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Montgomery County, central Miami County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Englewood, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Impacted include Dayton, Troy, Trotwood, Vandalia, Englewood, Tipp City, West Milton, Clayton, Union, Phillipsburg, Castown, Ludlow Falls, Ginghamsburg, Haven View, Northview, Farrington, Dayton International Airport, Garland, and Grayson. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 23 and 31. Between mile markers 64 and 78. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, WXJ46, Miamisburg, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.